Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on Ford Transit Connect with a 1.8 DI engine. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay area. It's located right there. In order to remove the fuel filter, we need to disconnect those two fuel lines. And also there is a bolt down there that's holding the fuel filter. To remove the two fuel lines, first we need to loosen the two metal clamps and then we'll pull out the fuel lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the two fuel lines out, and if you have loosened the bolt on the side of the fuel filter, then we can take out the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter out. Next I'll show you on the two fuel lines there is two arrows. So one of the arrows is showing that this is the fuel line where the fuel is entering the fuel filter, and this is the other fuel line where the fuel is exiting. You should have that in mind when trying to bleed the fuel system afterwards. This is the new fuel filter, and as you can see there is again two arrows. This one is showing, that one is showing fuel entering, and the other one is showing fuel exiting. So when you put on the fuel filter in its place, you should only put on the fuel line that's for the fuel entering the fuel filter. The fuel line for the fuel exiting the fuel filter, you will put it on afterwards, after the fuel system has been bled. So now we put on the fuel line for the fuel entering the fuel filter, and we're going to tighten the clamp. Next we're going to prime the fuel system or bleed the fuel system. For that procedure I'm going to use this mechanical hand pump. You can see there is an arrow on the hand pump where it shows which way the fuel will be pumped. So these holes will be put onto the fuel filter where it's exiting the fuel line, where it's exiting the fuel filter. And the other part will be put afterwards on the fuel line going towards the high pressure fuel pump. So now that we put the mechanical fuel pump onto the fuel filter where it's exiting the fuel filter, now we're going to pump up the pump so that we can take out all the air and only fuel starts to come out. We'll continue to pump up the pump until only fuel comes out. We need to see only fuel coming out, no air. Air will come out first, and when there is only fuel coming out, we're going to fill up that fuel line that's going to the high pressure fuel pump. And after that, that fuel line is filled up with fuel, then we can connect it to the fuel filter, and afterwards we can start the car. So now we're going to put that fuel, and it's going to the high pressure fuel pump into the mechanical pump. We're going to pump it a little bit more for the air to come out, so we can see there is some air coming out. And afterwards we're going to put it onto the fuel filter. Here you can see I took out the hand pump and put on the fuel line into the fuel filter. Now I'm going to put it in all the way and tighten the metal clamp. And that's how you bleed the fuel system on this 4-transit connect. Next we're gonna go inside and start the car. The fuel system has already been primed, so there should be no problem starting the car. When you start the car, just rev it a little bit just in case, and just let it run for 2 or 3 minutes, and then you can turn off the car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.